Welcome to another Power Lead System training video with Corey Neese, also known as Coach Corey 3. I'm going to teach you how I take care of my Power Lead System and Lead Lightning customers. Okay, so I actually just referred a Lead Lightning customer. A new gold member came in. The person upgraded from Lead Lightning. So that's exactly how I want it to work. That's how this program is designed. You get people in on the front door. They see the value in their back office. There's a button that says to upgrade. There's more value. So anyway, what I like to do to actually help my team as much as possible is I'll send an email. I'll click the email of the person that just signed up, and I'll send an email sharing this video I made that basically explains just exactly what to do, like in 10 minutes, what to do when you're brand new. Get your domain, watch the training, and start sharing your links basically. And then I always say, if you have questions, email me back. I'm here to help you. Like, if you have any questions at all. And that will really help you personally with your retention as well, because people that are getting help, that are getting one-to-one connection, communication, they are much more likely to stick around and actually get the most out of their program, because they're more likely to just, get results and get on with it, okay? A lot of people get stuck on, believe it or not, like where to even log in at. Like some people don't even know how to log in, where's their details, what is a domain? They don't know these things, right? So you can't assume people always know exactly what to do. You have to be in that beginner's mind. Anyway, so that's what I do to help my team as much as possible. And, if you're looking for a sponsor or somebody to help you with Power Lead System, who will actually kind of guide you, give you some training, give you some advice from a bunch of experience, years of experience, I'll put my links below in the description. You're welcome to check out my Lead Lightning link and work with me if that interests you. Okay? So if you got value, please drop a comment below as well. Be sure to subscribe. And I got a whole bunch of other videos on Lead Lightning and PLS training. Just find me over here on YouTube and click on the playlist section over on YouTube. There's a whole section on Power Lead System training videos right here. Okay? So make sure to check those out. They answer about any question possible. So see you in the next one.